Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what it is. This is Voice of FX Adventure, reaching you guys all the way from West Africa, Nigeria to be precise. Well, it's been a year. We've started this journey here, and I've been going in and out, but this time around, I'm back to stay. I'm back fully, hopefully. All right, it's wonderful to be back here to continue doing this stuff that I do because I love doing it. I love doing live streaming. I love teaching or sharing my thoughts and knowledge on financial market, and also I would want to make money doing that, and that's the reason why we are here. Well, not to waste you guys time, we'll be doing a couple of things on this live session, which will be largely centered around what has been going on while I was away for a very long time now, and we'll start up kicking off on some back-tested data that I have, and I'll be sharing that with you guys. Already right there on the screen you can see that we are currently looking at Euro USD pair, and yeah, we just jump right in because there's no need to wait or waste time. So well, just to refresh you guys' mind, what we do here is everything financial market. I don't think I need to be doing that intro again because right there on the chat you can see it looking at you right there. So I'm going a little bit into time, and just to give you guys an idea of what we have here. So all these drawings you see are the same pattern, the same setup that we used in pulling out all these drawings you see. All right, and I pretty much did a couple of data analysis with the help of AI also to simulate the way the records we had from the back test, and also the capital, and all the mathematics behind it, and it was very nice. The risk to reward ratio is 2 to 1. I believe you guys already know that. It's always 2 to 1 for me. I don't go anything below that. And I'm pretty much, when I simulated that, I think in 16 trades data that we got, we simulated it starting with $10. In 16 trades we were averaging 360 something dollar, whereas if you do it with a $50, it will be averaging about $18,000, which is a very good performance for me. And that's exactly the adventure that I would want to go in for next week. Maintain the same strategy, maintain the same setup, and I'll be doing that from next week till the end of the year, December. And I would want to do it cumulatively, and by cumulatively I mean by compound approach, in the sense that whatever profit we make, we reinvest it back into the market. And there are a couple of other formulas that I would want to apply, to that effect, and I pretty much will. And just to give you guys a clue, we divide the capital by 3, and we use one portion of that 3 to execute the trade. Then whether it's a win or a loss, we invest another 1%, one portion of the 3% of the capital. And when I mean the capital, an example is you start with $10, you divide it by 3, it will be giving you $3 something cents. You use that $3 something cents and you take a trade, and that trade is a winner. And remember, for our winning trade, we are averaging 2 to 1. All right, 2 to 1 in the sense that 2 to 1 in the sense that if I'm risking $10, I am starting to make 20, or if I'm risking $100, I'm starting to make 200. All right, so imagine where you now have a capital of $10. All right, we can even pull up a calculator to do that, or you can do that if you have your calculator over there. So you divide 10 by 3. I'm actually pressing it on my mobile, although you can't see my face, but yeah, I'm doing that right now. So 10 divided by 3 is giving us about 3.3 cents. I like the setup that is going on here, so I'll be looking for a short if at all we get a pullback in this range here. Okay, so this is the setup I would want to go for. I don't know how possible we can trade back up into that range. That would be nice. If I can get an entry there, that would be great. But if not, we'll let it be. Then we'll be aiming for all the way down here. But I think the market is already going that direction. Yeah, it's already going that direction. A sell is what I would envision for this move here. But for us to do that, we will need them to trade back into this range here and then sell it off after that, all the way down there. That's what I would want. And I'm going to set a pending entry there. I'm going to set a pending entry there. Okay, I think I already have it. So I'll set this one here. I'll get my stop loss. Before we do that, we need to check our position size calculation. So the stop loss here is 26. So I'll go here and I'll put on 26, and it's giving me 0.06. That's the lot size I will use for this. Okay, I've already added it there. I think I have everything in place. So what I'm going to do is I'll get the stop loss just to be sure, but I think I've added that, but I just want to get it to be sure. We'll add the stop loss right there. Okay, so this is a pending sell order. We'll put it. So our pending order is right there waiting for market to trade into it. Hopefully the market can trade back into it, then sell off. But if that doesn't happen, then it's fine and good. We know it's not part of our setup. We will leave it alone. All right. So yeah, that's that about that. So you see this simple setup I'm just showing here. There are other things or other thoughts that went behind it, and it's the same setup that I'm applying here. Is the same with what I did here. You see this one was a winner, was the same thing I did here. This one also was a winner. I'm going to explain. So I trade quarter cycle. I trade with time, and I also trade accumulation manipulation. The same setup is this. The same setup is this. Is the same setup is this. You see, this one was a loser. This one didn't go at all. This one is more or less a break even. So these are the previous trades that I took with the same strategy that I'm still applying. This one, same strategy here also. Same strategy here. That this one was a break even. This one was it's a loss. This one is a winner, obviously. You can see that. Same setup, same plan. We don't change it. We take the same setup every day. Okay. I like the fact that they are dropping bottom week. I want them to trade back into this place. Remember, if market can come back into there, that's where I would want to attack. I've already placed a pending order there. So if it comes here, picks our order, then sell off completely. If market can do that, that would be nice. So yeah, I do quarter cycle and a touch of accumulation manipulation and some other things that I use for confirmation. As you can see, I have you can see the blue line there. That's the moving average, and that's another confirmation tool that I use. So but let me get back to the challenge that I was talking about. So I figured out that if you're able to make 100% every day for in 20 days, you can become a millionaire using $10. I know some people will be wondering, what is this guy saying? And I'm going to say it again for the ones that are doubting me. And I say, for every day, if you're able to make 100% of whatever you trade with, you can make more than $1 million using $10. And here is the deal. I know it's far-fetched, but it's still possible. So here is the deal. So the deal here is that you have $10, okay? On the first day, you flip it, or on the first day, you flip it to 20. All right? Now you have 20. You use all that 20 and go back in the market, and you flip it to 40. That's the second day. Third day will be 80. The next day will be about 160. Before you know it, if you run this simulation for just 20 days, you'll be shocked on how much you will have overall. It's something that I did, and it was crazy. It was crazy when I figured out the performance. It was crazy. I tell you, I kid you not. It was very crazy. It was really, really crazy. Let's see if they will trade back into that range. Then it takes off for the final sell, and that'll be nice. Super nice. Very, very nice. Bon, alors bien, ah bon, you know say I dey see everything that happen. I see as you blind me. No, I'm a piece, man. I know that you know this Okay. Please.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing now?
I'm okay.
Uh, no, you wanna check the movement. People, my people. Think I close my live stream. I've been the